In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Thank you are two very powerful words. When said at the right time, they build confidence, enhance relationships, and engender love and affection. People need to be appreciated for what they do for us. In fact, acknowledging their good gestures needs spontaneous expression. It is an unwritten obligation on us. It should be discharged magnanimously and graciously. While saying thank you to those who have done a good turn to us is imperative, words of gratitude, even to those who are supposed to do what they are doing, is a sign of courtesy and civility. And there are so many people we owe our gratitude to, and that too persistently because of what we have received from them continuously. Let us continue to thank our parents for the time, effort, and resources they have spent on us. Let us continue to thank our teachers for what we have learnt from them. Let us continue to thank our children for bringing joy and happiness to our homes. Let us continue to thank our siblings and friends for being there for us when we need them. And let us continue to thank our employees for making our organizations prosper. And then there are those instances in which we must show courtesy by expressing our gratitude whenever they arise. We must thank people who listen to our woes even though they cannot solve them. We must thank people who hold the door for us and let us pass through. We must thank the person who stops his car to give us the way. Let us make a conscious effort to initiate this thank you culture in our lives to all those whom we are indebted to. And let us be persistent in this.